it's going off. I don't believe it. I don't know why. There's no smoke. There's no smokes in this house, and I don't know why it's going off. So I don't know why it's going off, and there's no smokes in this house. I don't know why. This is ridiculous. Just ridiculous, guys. Just ridiculous. The fire alarm won't go off. There's no smokes. There's no fire. There's nothing. There's no burning toast. I don't want this fire alarm all night. Just like if I was like falling asleep in the bed. This is annoying. Let's say this is gonna go off again.
Oh, fucking hell! What the hell is going on?
Probably it's the light.